Hello everyone, I wanted to make a quick video just to review how to use Padlet. So you will be given a link and a QR code to get to Padlet. You can scan a QR code on your phone if you want to do a Padlet on your phone, or you can click the link. It also can be built into your lesson so that it just pops right up for you guys to interact with. So when you get to a Padlet, this one does have some read aloud directions, and you can see I've put these directions here for you in order, and all you have to do to hear them is evaluate. Why is this number? You can pause them, you can change it, the volume, you can move it around, you can even make it full screen if you want. That way you can hear the directions for each section. When you get into the Padlet, if it is a Padlet that's put into sections like ours is, and most of them are, what you can do is you can click the little plus sign. You can put for the subject your name or what you're talking about. So I'm going to put Mrs. P. And then you see you can upload something. So maybe you typed up your answer to the question on your notes or in a Word document. You can upload it by clicking here. You can take a photo. You can put a link here. You can search images, which means you want to find a certain picture that it reminds you of. You can click here to search images, and then this is a great option. You can hit more, and there you can draw something. You can record your audio. You can talk your answer out. You can record a video answer. You can screen record what is on your screen. You can do YouTube. You can even web search or look for a GIF. You can also do that by looking right up here. And if you copied something, you can paste it from your clipboard there, or you can just do the good old-fashioned typing. And then once you've got your answer in, you can change the background color if you like. I like purple. And then you can hit publish. Now, when you publish it, it may say awaiting approval. I'll approve it as soon as I see it. You can edit it by hovering over these three buttons. If you want to add something, then you'll hit update. If you do update it, it will have to be pre-approved. If your classmate put something you really like, you can heart it. You can add a comment like, it reminded me of the same thing. And then you hit the little arrow to put your comment. You can heart it. You can add anywhere you want. And again, these are all the directions. So that's how we use Padlet.